I made 340,000 naira in just 7 days with just my WhatsApp doing affiliate marketing right here in Nigeria. Let me show you how I did it. Okay guys, I remain your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub, and just like I said in this video, I'm going to break down to you how I made 340,000 naira in 7 days doing affiliate marketing in Nigeria. But before we go fully into this video, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. So that being said, let's go over to my laptop and I'm going to break down to you what I did to make 340,000 naira in just 7 days with my WhatsApp doing affiliate marketing right here in Nigeria. Okay guys, so as you can see my dashboard, 340,000 right here, and as you can see I made 17 sales. But let me show you that this was made in 7 days. So if I check from the 18th to the 25th of March 2022, if I apply and refresh this page, you will see that I made 340,000 naira in 7 days using just my WhatsApp doing affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you the strategies I used to do that. So right now, before I go into the strategies, let's first of all understand what affiliate marketing is all about. So affiliate marketing, as you can see right here, is a simple business model which allows you to recommend someone else's product and earn a commission when it is sold. So let me use a physical example so you get to understand. I believe you know these guys that do real estate. Most of them do not own houses, but they sell houses and they earn commission when they do so. So if you check out this guy right here, he's an affiliate, and here is a product owner, and here is someone who wants to buy the product. If you check out what he's doing, he's making announcement about this product. That is what you do as an affiliate. You let someone who wants to buy something know where they can buy it. You are connecting a buyer and a seller. That is what you do as an affiliate. But right now, I'll be showing you how to do it selling digital products. So you don't need to go physically to sell anything. You can do it from the comfort of your home. And that is what I did in 7 days to generate 340,000 naira with just my smartphone using WhatsApp. So right now, these are the steps I used to make 340,000 naira in a week with affiliate marketing. The first thing I did was to pick a product. And before you start affiliate marketing, you need to have a product. You understand? So if you don't have a product, there's no way you can make money. There's no way you can sell anything. So firstly, to get a digital product to sell online, you need to go into platforms that have digital product, and there are many platforms in Nigeria. But the platform I used to generate this amount of money in this short period of time is called expertnaire.com. So as you can see, join an affiliate network to access product. So if you want to get started with Expertanaire, just follow this link. As you can see, christianomeje.com.ng/72ig. You'll get access to a program which gives you a free affiliate account, and this program teaches you how to do affiliate marketing effectively. It's part of the strategies I implemented to earn this money in this short period of time. So if I go to my affiliate account right now, as you can see, I'm right in my Expertanaire dashboard. If I go to the product marketplace, so right here you see that we'll have a lot of products. You understand? So when you join an affiliate platform, you are going to have access to a lot of products just like this. As you can see, we have about 91 products on this platform, which means you have various products you can pick from. You are not limited in any way, and these products are of different niches. So if you check out, this one is called Smartphone Graphic Design Blueprints for people who want to learn how to do graphic design with their smartphone. If you check out this one is for people who want to learn Forex. This one is for people who want to learn Facebook ads, and also people who want to learn Amazon Kindle publishing. So there are various niches right here. All you just need to do is pick the one you want to pick that you feel you can promote out there, and use the strategies I'll be showing you so you can make money selling this product with just your WhatsApp. You understand? So the first step is to pick a product from an affiliate network, and to get access to an affiliate network, if you are not yet in anyone, go through this link. The link is going to be on the description of this video. Go and access it. get the program. The program I guess currently is around 62,000 naira. Get the program. It's very powerful and it's going to help you. So now the next option is to market the product. You understand? After you have access to this product, what do you do next? You market the product. And how do you market the product? There are various ways to market the product, but just like I said, I used my WhatsApp to do this. As you can see, using WhatsApp as a medium for marketing the product. So how do you now use WhatsApp as a medium to market your product? We know a lot of people say, how did you make money on WhatsApp? So I'm going to show you something that is amazing to show you how powerful WhatsApp is for selling. So if you check right here, I searched WhatsApp users in Nigeria, and if you check out here, in 2021, WhatsApp users base in Nigeria amounts to approximately 4 million users. You understand? And if I open up this website, you see something amazing about this. They say in 2021, WhatsApp users base in Nigeria amounts to approximately 4 million users. The number of WhatsApp users in Nigeria is projected to reach 8 million users in 2025. That is like double of this. What does this mean? It means that a lot of people in Nigeria currently are active on WhatsApp. You understand? Every day people log into their WhatsApp. Like, WhatsApp is the first social media app most people log into first thing in the day. So what does this mean? It's the fastest way to reach out to people. And smart marketers are already leveraging on this to start making a lot of money for themselves, and I am not exempted. So that's why I'm trying to show you that I'm using WhatsApp and I've generated this amount of money using WhatsApp. So if you check now, what are the ways that you can market using your WhatsApp? So these are them. We have how to sell products with WhatsApp. We have about 5 of them, and I'm going to break down all of them for you. So the first one is using WhatsApp DMs. So firstly, on your WhatsApp, you should have contacts, people that are on your contacts. Let's say you have about 50 contacts, you have about 100 contacts, you have about 1,000 contacts. You send these people cold DMs, direct messages, where you get to tell them about a certain product. These people can either be your friends, family members, church members, people that you got connected to from different ways. And once you send them these messages and what you are sending them aligns with their interest, they can buy from you. You understand? So sending direct messages is the first aspect. The second aspect is using WhatsApp status. As we all know, WhatsApp status is like the TV of social media currently. Most people don't go a day without posting on their WhatsApp status. Some people go as far as posting up to 100 stores on their WhatsApp status in a day, which is crazy. So like all these people that sell shoes and bags, if you check out, they are leveraging on WhatsApp currently, always posting their shoes, posting their bags and the rest, and people are patronizing them from that method. So as you can see, using your WhatsApp status is another powerful way to sell using WhatsApp, and this is what I also leveraged on. You understand? The third aspect is using WhatsApp groups. So as we all know, we have WhatsApp groups for different purposes. So people have WhatsApp group for school, churches, memberships, tribal meetings, and a lot. And probably as far you are on WhatsApp, you are inside one group. In one way or the other, you are inside a group, and probably you can post inside these groups. So if you have a product that can help people, so let's say you have a product that will teach people how to go and study abroad, because this product is on Expertanaire, you can go and pick this product, and currently that ASU is on strike, you can post it in school group and say, oh, instead of you waiting for ASU, you can japa to the next country and go and study. You understand? So many people might find it interesting, and before you know, they have bought this product and you get a commission because they bought it through your affiliate link. So now the next aspect is using WhatsApp broadcast. So WhatsApp broadcast is where you send bulk messages to a group of people. So let's say you have friends or people that you want to connect to. So instead of sending them messages individually, you can use your WhatsApp broadcast to just send a bulk message that will arrive to all of them at the same time and still pass your message. And you can use your WhatsApp broadcast for something I'm going to talk on the next point, so ensure you stay to that next point. But if you are yet to subscribe to the channel and you are enjoying this content, now will be the right time for you to do so. Ensure you also click on the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so you get amazing content when I drop them, just like this. So now the fifth one is using WhatsApp ads. So WhatsApp ads are of different ways. We have running adverts from Facebook directly to your WhatsApp, running adverts from Instagram directly to your WhatsApp, or you use what we call WhatsApp TVs. So what is WhatsApp TVs? WhatsApp TVs are normal contacts. You understand? People that generated large contacts on their WhatsApp. They have people viewing their status, about 20,000 people viewing their status, 15,000, 10,000, 30,000 people viewing their status. These people are called WhatsApp influencers. So they have thousands of people viewing their status. All you just have to do is pay them some certain amount of money and they advertise your products for you. So as you can see, I leveraged on almost all of these to generate this money that I did in this short period of time. The only one I really didn't leverage on was this number 4, which is WhatsApp broadcast, because most times WhatsApp broadcast, people do not like people sending them broadcast. So aside WhatsApp broadcast, I leveraged on the rest. I sent DMs, I did WhatsApp status, did WhatsApp groups, and I also ran Facebook ads leading to my WhatsApp. So now when you run ads and people come to your WhatsApp, the magic don't just happen that they start buying immediately. You understand? So that is why on this next option, as you can see, follow up and irresistible offer is what is going to help you sell, and that is what helped me sell in this short period of time. So now what is follow up? As you can see, I ran ad for a certain product I was promoting. I'm going to show you that product so you get to see it. So right now, I firstly started generating leads over time to sell this product, and when the time came, I sold this product massively. So I was doing follow up to the people that have generated to come to my WhatsApp from the ads I ran. So majorly what is follow up? Follow up is sending either broadcast or posting on your WhatsApp status or direct DM, just like communicating with these people to show them that this offer that you have for them is still available. So I introduced the product to them, and now I'm getting back to them. It's just like when you go and buy something from a certain place and they say they will get back to you when you need more. You understand? So something like that. So now the second one is an irresistible offer, to set out an offer that will make someone want to buy your product at that particular time. You understand? An irresistible offer, and that is what made me generate this amount of money I talked about. So now ensure that you set up these two systems in place. Ensure that I have a good follow-up system and you have an irresistible offer for you to convert the people you have generated from various means and that are already even inside your contacts. So right now, steps used to make 340K. So if you remember, I told you guys that I sold 17 of this product. As you can see, 17 copies of this digital product. And how much was each of these products? So the price of the product I was promoting was 40,000 naira as at then, and the commission was 50% commission. So I was getting 20,000 naira as my own commission on each sale. If you check out, the price of this product is 40,000 naira and I earn 20,000 naira as my commission on each sale that I made. And I made a lot of sales within that period. If you check out, I was making a lot of sales, which amounted to me making about 17 sales in a week. So if you check it out right here, 17 copies of that product times 20 is equals to 340,000 naira. Although I did a typographical error here by saying in a month, but I did that in a week. But let's just imagine that you are doing this even in just a month. You understand? It's very, very possible. As you can see, I've done it in just 7 days. So this is actually how you can leverage on your WhatsApp using affiliate marketing to generate a lot of money for yourself. I did it and I've shown you how it is. You have seen it. So once you are done, the next thing you just need to do is to rinse and repeat the process. I have been doing that. You understand? I found out a strategy that is working out for me, and I have consistently rinsed and repeated the same process to generate much more money for myself using affiliate marketing and my WhatsApp. So as you can see, this is all on how you can actually use affiliate marketing and your WhatsApp to generate a lot of money for yourself. I've shown you how I did it, and you can begin to implement this method. If you need a proven system that is going to break down everything for you and show you step by step how you can practically implement all I have said
in this video today, ensure that you check out the 72 IG program. This program is a bumper packed program that teaches you everything you need to know about selling digital products with your smartphone, with your WhatsApp. You understand? So check out the link on the description of this video, or you just type this URL on your browser and you get access to the program, and then start skyrocketing and making much more money for yourself using affiliate marketing today.
Okay guys, so that was it on how I made 340,000 naira in just 7 days with my WhatsApp doing affiliate marketing right here in Nigeria. So if you're interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, I've recorded a free video where I broke down everything you need to know about affiliate marketing in details, and how you can also get started to start making at least 200,000 naira monthly for yourself doing affiliate marketing. So check on the description of this video. You are going to see that video. Take your time to watch it and then get started. So if you enjoyed this session and you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time for you to do so. Just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so you get notified when I drop amazing videos just like this. And also don't forget to comment, like, and also share this video so it can grow on the YouTube algorithm and people like you who need it to get to see it. So that being said, I'm going to see you on the next video. Take care and have fun.